Hi everyone, welcome to Rak's Kitchen. This is Rajeshwari Vijayanan. Today I am going to make vada curry. This is a delicious side dish for idli, dosa, aapam and idiyappam. You can make this with leftover masala vadais, but today I am going to make a steamed version from scratch. So kind of low in calories. Let's get started. To make vada curry, wash and soak half cup of chana dal for 3 hours. After 3 hours, drain the water and keep aside. In a mixie, take fennel seeds, red chilies and salt. Grind coarsely first, then add the soaked chana dal and grind it to a coarse mixture. No need to add extra water. It is better to have a loose, coarse mixture than a watery, smooth mixture. Grease a idli plate with sesame oil. Fill the molds loosely with the ground mixture. Make a dent in the middle for easy cooking. Boil water in the steamer and steam cook for 15 minutes. Once done, take out in a bowl. Break it roughly so that you still have some chunks of the steamed vada. Now heat a kadai with oil. Add biryani leaf, cinnamon to it, followed by the other whole spices. Splutter cumin seeds. Add few curry leaves and give it a stir. Now add finely chopped onion. I have taken 2 onions. Fry until it turns soft. Add ginger garlic paste and stir fry for 1 more minute. I always use fresh ginger garlic paste for a good flavor. In goes 3 finely chopped tomatoes. Add salt, 2 slit green chilies, 1½ teaspoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We have already added some red chilies in the vadai too, so adjust the spice level according to your taste. Now cook until tomatoes turns mushy. Add 2 cups of water and mix well. Bring to boil and add the steamed vadai to it. Mix well and simmer for 10 minutes. I am adding half teaspoon of garam masala powder for extra flavor. This is optional though. Now after 10 minutes it is a bit thick and vada is simmered well in the gravy. At this stage, I am adding some coconut milk. As this is store-bought one, it is very thick and rich, so adding just about 2 tablespoons of it. Mix well and switch off the flame. Garnish with fresh coriander and mint leaves, which will give you a great flavor. Serve it hot with dosa or idli best. We can also have it with aapam and idiyappam. So guys, hope you all like the side dish. Do try and let me know your feedback through comments. Or you can send a picture to my Instagram or Facebook page. We'll be happy to share it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Rak's Kitchen.